Takot ka mamatay o takot kang pumatay, huwag ka magpresidente.
A few moments later.
Kami takot. Ayaw namin ng gera.
Takot ka mamatay o takot kang pumatay, huwag ka magpresidente.
Matutunaw itong Pilipinas, Adre.
Takot ka mamatay o takot kang pumatay, huwag ka magpresidente.
Now, I'm saying that the best thing is just really remain neutral. Sabihin mo sa China, Adre, wala man akong away sa iyo. Huwag mo lang akong galawin.
May gabi, Mayor. Mayor, isulti mo kanina that when you go to China, after nagisultihan ka ni Xi Jinping that hindi pwede maistoryahan ang imong ipangayo sa iya about the conflict in the West Philippine Sea. After anak, wala na ba
Wala.
of talks nga naitabo?
Tapos na lahat eh. During our first meeting, nandito yung cabinet ko. Nandito yung mga military sa Lorenzana. What would be the point in bringing up the matter again with him kung sinabi sa iyo, please do not do that, there will be trouble. Anong ibig sabihin niya? Trouble na yan sa kanya kasi may nuclear bomb nila. Kaya that's a big deal for all of us. Matutunaw itong Pilipinas, Adre.
Before you get out from the office, Mayor, wala na ba ini attempts to buhion na siya ng iskutanan? Kanang after atong China and then for how many years na naka sa pwesto pag kamuhawa, wala na ba attempt na buhion to siya ng istorya?
Well, the day I went out of Malacanang, totally cut off na ako sa governmental functions. Nobody would believe me. Magsalot lang niyang pulis, pati military, pagka may posisyon ka. Pag wala ka na sa posisyon, sabihin ng military, pag sabihin mo na, sabihin ko,
Salamat, Dixie. Randy Canieto.
Mayor, my concern is for the 120 million Filipinos na 21 million Filipinos na sinasabi mo baka mag-vanish tayo, mapulpos tayo. And thinking na ikaw, kilala namin, parang walang kinatatakutan. Now, being afraid for the sake of the Filipino, and hindi mo na pinatulan yung sinabi ni Xi Jinping, there will be trouble. It seems like you're sending that message right now to PBBM na ito yung sinabi ni Xi Jinping, there will be trouble. What if our present president will not listen to this at makumbinsi siya ng Amerika na kasi nandun siya ngayon, paano pagbalik niya, sinabi niya, makikipaggera tayo. What can we do?
good. Let him try it. Magtago ka na. That is very good. But ang gusto kong tanungin, bakit to lang gray ships ng American Navy? Yung malapit lang naman, wala. Nagpa-distansya.
That chance ba yun, pwedeng gawin tayong proxy war na kagaya ng nangyari sa Ukraine at tayo magiging kawawa. Sinasabi pa po na baka gamitin daw ni Biden ang gerang ito para ma-retain siya kasi mukhang delikado siya sa election by November. nakipag-gera, tapos si Trump naman ang manalo. Inaano ko lang na baka bawiin ni Trump yung order na yan, kawawa daw tayo may iwan. Is it possible?
The earlier that Bongbong Marcos comes back, bringing with him the order to go to war, para sa akin, the better.
What can the Filipino people do?
Eh, kung patay na tayo, what can you say? A nuclear war is a nuclear war. Kung hindi mo na, you go to TV, sa YouTube, makita mo, there's a series there of what would happen to the world after a nuclear war. It's nothing. There's absolutely nothing in this world. Kaya magdasal ka na lang na pagputok, kasali ka na. Kung maiwan ka, pati yung kamote mo is radioactive, lalo ka magsuka-suka. Now, I'm saying that the best thing is just really remain neutral. Sabihin mo sa China, Adre, wala man akong away sa iyo. Huwag mo lang akong galawin. Itong Amerika, well, if you want trouble there to find a proxy, meron naman. Japan, you can use China, South China, South Korea, and many other. Huwag tayo. Wala tayong ibubuga. Navy natin, ipagyabang natin. Okay. Pwede. We can... I'm not belittling my country's Navy. But we can only guess what would be the stakes and what will happen.